This afternoon, they had a signing day event at Pleasant Valley High School as 8 student athletes signed on the line. Very impressive group. Proud day for these 8 Spartans. We had a few swimmers. We'll talk about them at 10 o'clock. Plus, we had Jack Kennedy at golfer to Drake, Claire Schwartz, track and field to Missouri State. And then some softball stars. Aaron Mullen to South Dakota State and Haley Dua going to Western Illinois. Congrats to all. Let's hear from the softball stars.
I was waiting for this day for a really long time, and I'm so excited to be finally committed and signed and everything. But it took a lot of work, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. I loved the process, even though sometimes it was really hard, but I would do it again any day.
It's a lot of hard work at practices, and then especially in off season, we need to make sure we work hard, and in the games that we just try our best. All my coaches have really helped me and supported me, especially Coach Duncan and Coach Arnold in the weight room, and it's really great that Pleasant Valley is just really supportive of all of our athletes.
How about this?